Hello everyone, in this video we are going to cover the current affairs of 2nd of week February 2021. So let's move on to the first question. Recently, which country's central bank repaid USD 400 million currency swap to the Reserve Bank of India? So it is Sri Lanka. Reserve Bank of India and the Central Bank of Sri Lanka made this currency swap in July 2020. The new development bank (NDB) has committed to invest how much amount into the National Investment and Infrastructure Fund Limited? So it is 100 million. If we talk about the headquarters of NDB, so it is in Shanghai, China, and headquarters of NIFF is in Mumbai. Reserve Bank of India has announced that it will purchase 4 government securities under the open market operation. What is the amount for these 4 securities? So it is 20,000 crore. What is the theme of Financial Literacy Week 2021 of RBI? It is Credit Discipline and Credit from Formal Institution. RBI celebrated this Financial Literacy Week from 8th of February to 12th of February. Which of the following state has signed a MOU with State Bank of India for implementation of e-challan with the jurisdiction? It is Meghalaya. RBI released Banking Ombudsman Annual Report. According to this report, which bank got the most complaints? So, State Bank of India has received the most number of complaints, and State Bank of India followed by HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank. If we talk about the increment in complaints, the complaints against bank increased by 57.54%. Which bank signed a first of its kind MOU with Indian Oil Corporation for providing up to 2 crore loan to Indian dealers? It has been signed by Punjab National Bank. Which bank entered into a co-lending agreement with Loan Tap credit product for MSME loans? It is Bank of Maharashtra. PhonePe partner with which bank on UPI Multi Bank? It is Axis Bank. Confederation of Women Entrepreneurs of India and which organization jointly launched Swalamban Sashakt to promote Stand Up India scheme? So it is SIDBI. If we talk about Stand Up India scheme, it was launched in 2016 by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and the loan limit is between 10 lakh to 100 lakh. It is for ST, and women. When Export Import Bank of India (EXIM) was established, it was established in 1982. If we talk about RBI was established in 1935 and SBI was established in 1955. Where is headquarters of SoftBank Group located? It is located in Tokyo, Japan. Recently, this bank was news because Nvidia to acquire SoftBank Group Arm Limited for USD 40 billion. What do you mean by gilt accounts? For that, Reserve Bank of India has given permission to open, making India the first country to do so. So it is an account for holding government securities. So remember what is gilt accounts. It is an account for holding government securities. Which of the following statements is not correct regarding Payment Bank of India? So the first option is wrong. Payment Bank was set up on the recommendation of Nachiket More Committee. As per the new guidelines to set up limited purpose clearing corporation by asset management companies of mutual funds released by Securities and Exchange Board of India, AMC need to contribute how much amount towards share capital of LPCC? So it is 150 crore. And remember the full form of LPCC, which is Limited Purpose Clearing Corporation. ICICI Bank has signed a MOU with MUFG Bank Limited to cater the banking requirements of its country corporates in India. Where is MUFG Bank located? So it is located in Japan. RBI released Banking Ombudsman Annual Report. According to this report, which NBFC got the most complaints? Bajaj Finance Limited has received the most number of complaints. And if we talk about increment, the complaints against NBFC increased by 387% compared to previous year. Which state became first state to inaugurate e-cabinet? It is Himachal Pradesh. The Indian Meteorological Department IMD to establish India's first thunderstorm research test bed in which state? So it is going to be in Balasore, Odisha. Government has fixed a target of what amount for ground level credit to agriculture for 2021 to 2022. So it is 16.50 lakh crore and there is an increment of 10% over the previous year's 15 lakh crore. Which countries to build world's largest offshore wind farm? It is going to be built by South Korea. If we talk about the capital and currency of South Korea, capital of South Korea is Seoul and currency is won. Indian Space Research Organization is set to launch Amazonia's first satellite through India's Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle C-51. Amazonia first satellite is from which country? It is from Brazil. Skyroot Aerospace has signed an agreement with which company to launch taxi in space on its Vikram launch vehicle. So it is Bellatrix Space. If we talk about the headquarter, Skyroot headquarter in Hyderabad, Telangana, and Bellatrix headquarter in Bangalore, Karnataka. A book titled Platform Scale for a Post-Pandemic World, authored by whom? It has been authored by Sangeet Paul Singh. Which state or union territory launched Mukhyamantri Vigyan Pratibha Pariksha, a science scholarship scheme? It has been launched by Delhi government and the fund allotted for this scheme is 5,000 crore. Google Cloud appointed whom as the new MD of its India business? So it is Bikram Singh Bedi. India and which country exercise Yudh Abhyas military exercise? India and USA exercise Yudh Abhyas and this time it was 16th edition held in Bikaner district of Rajasthan. Who won the inaugural ICC Player of the Month January 2021? So it has been received by Rishabh Pant. Which state launched SANS campaign to reduce infant mortality? It has been launched by Madhya Pradesh government. And the full form of SANS is Social Awareness and Action to Neutralize Pneumonia. Government appointed an expert committee to review proposal to ban 27 pesticides. Who is the head of the committee? It is T.P. Rajendran. Which space agency announced world first all civilian mission to space? It has been announced by SpaceX. Beautiful Things book written by whom? It is written by Hunter Biden, who is a son of Joe Biden. Who became third pacer from India to get 300 wickets? Recently, Ishan Sharma got this feat. Recently, central government gave approval for the creation of 5th tiger reserve in which state? It is going to be in Tamil Nadu. The name of the tiger reserve is Sri Valliputtur Megamalai Tiger Reserve and it is going to be the 51st Tiger Reserve of India. The Union Minister of State for Agriculture and Farmer Welfare, Kailash Chaudhary, has inaugurated the National Horticulture Fair 2021 in which city? So it is in Bangalore. And the theme is Horticulture for Startup and Startup India. India and which country have signed a MOU for the construction of the Setut Dam or Lalandar Dam? It is Afghanistan. India's first ever geothermal power project will be implemented by state-owned Oil and Natural Gas Corporation ONGC in which state or union territory? It is going to be in Ladakh. Which of the following state recently introduced a system of issuing a unique 16-digit Unicode to mark all kinds of land holdings? So it is Uttar Pradesh. Which airport in India won the Airport Council International World's Voice of the Customer Award? It has been received by Bangalore International Airport, which is also known as a Kempegowda International Airport. Which state recently declared its 31st district name Vijayanagar? It is Karnataka. Who won the Wildlife Photographer of the Year 2021 award? It has been won by Robert Irwin and he belongs to Australia. Where is the headquarters of Confederation of Women Entrepreneurs of India COWE located? It is located in Hyderabad, Telangana. Rajnath Singh inaugurated Jal Abhishekam campaigns under which more than 57,000 water structures have been constructed. Where this campaign started? It has been started in Madhya Pradesh. Who is the author of the book titled Kamala's Way, An American Life? It has been written by Dane Morian. Who among the following has been crowned as the winner of VLCC Femina Miss India World 2020? So it is Manasa Varanasi who won VLCC Femina Miss India World 2020 and she belongs to Telangana. Name the Indian Navy's largest mega exercise which has been conducted in Indian Ocean region. So it is TROPEX. The full form of TROPEX is Theatre Level Operational Readiness Exercise. What is the theme of International Day of Women and Girls in Science 2021? It is Women Scientists at the Forefront of the Fight Against COVID-19 and it is celebrated on 11th of February. Who authored the book titled By Many A Happy Accident Recollection of Life? It is written by Mohammad Hamid Ansari. Name the author of the book Turn Around India 2020 Surmounting Past Legacy. It is written by R.P. Gupta. Where is Indravati National Park located? It is located in Chhattisgarh. So if you find our content relevant, you can subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.